Just want to see if he's going to do it again. Yep. Did you pick up Kennel Cough? And you know what's going to happen? Rocky's going to get it. He was talking about that at the dog park too. That's Kennel Cough. We can't take him to the park now until this is cleared up, because it just spreads like wildfire. I'll give the vet a call and let him listen to it, but going through Rocky having it a few times, Apollo's never got it. What happened, Apollo? Did you get the COVID? That better not be the COVID. And there's nothing you can do, right? In my vet, he refuses to do the Bordetella because it's got to go through their system, right? But see right there how they're sharing a toy? Hands down, Brock's gonna get it. Hey, Apollo? What happened? Did some doggy get you sick? Did some dog get you sick? Brock, piss off. I'm trying to give him love. What happened? You okay? And the worst thing is it comes on so suddenly. Oh, Rock! Nothing's coming up, bud. You need an antibiotic? When you take him out, make sure he does not go near other dogs. Even Rock now. Usually with it, like, he will have a white phlegm. That's what I'm waiting for, because that's the #1 indication. It was weird. He started coughing after he ate, so I don't know if maybe something went down the wrong way. But to me, that's what it's sounding like, is kennel cough. Which, being at the dog park, aw, poor buddy.